Hey you guys, this is Deepali Sharma welcoming you to Cherry Blossom. So guys, normally हम अपने फेस और हेयर का तो बहुत ही अच्छे से ध्यान रखते हैं, बट जिसका हम ध्यान नहीं रखते वो है our body. So in this video, I will be sharing a body script with you all which will help you to polish your skin. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
So सबसे पहले take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of coffee in it. Then add a pinch of salt. Then squeeze half lemon in it. Then add 2 teaspoons of rose water in it, and if you have vitamin E, you can also add it and mix it properly. After mixing properly, start applying it on your hands and legs. Coffee brightens your skin. Lemon contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage. Magnesium, calcium, and potassium are all skin-friendly minerals that can be found in sea salt.
So guys, that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, and the main part, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.